Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome, everybody. New subscribers, you're more welcome. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified of all the videos. Okay. Today we have from Temu. This is part, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever it says in the title, of a big, super huge haul. But these three that you see over here, although they're folded, they shouldn't be folded. These are paint by numbers. I wanted to try the paint by numbers on from Temu, so let's see. This one has the photo in here. What we have over here is the paints. This one has how many colors? 24. 24 colors. Comes with the brushes, which they're good for the first time, but that's it. Come with the brushes and the hooks to hang it. Here are the paints. I'm not going to take the paints out. I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to do the swatch now because I'm not going to do these ones now. But here are the color scheme. This is the picture of the paint. And we're gonna open these creases. They should be rolling it up. All right. It comes with a short, and this is good because if you miss or you need to do something when you're gonna blend and stuff like that, you need to know the color number. And number two, if you don't get this, I suggest you take pictures of the canvas. That's what I did in one of them, small ones that I have. So I'm glad that these came with it. And here it is. The problem with these these creases, now I have to iron them. I'm gonna have to fold it back again until it's time, but because this one is these creases and all this. Here it is. Get you closer. So they're very clear, the numbers, including in the small spaces like this one. This is number 3. That's number 3. You might not be able to see it, but I can see it. This is the house. This is the house. These are the trees. These are all 16 by 20. Let me put the... But this is a big no-no. When it's time to do it, then I will iron and then I will gesso put clear gesso on it. Let me put it inside here. I hope I can do it in an easy way. The first one, this is the second one. Let me get this one also has 24 colors. Usually they have 24 colors. You get the set of brushes with the hook to hook it up. You can do it with those brooches, but they don't last long. This is the image. They didn't have that many options, but I want to try their paint. And here is their color scheme. They're pretty colors. Beautiful colors. Here is also comes with the chart, just in case. Here is the house and the trees. This is very important, the chart. It's true that it came folded. It shouldn't be folded because now I have to iron them and you risk. But they at least they come with the chart. Okay, this one, the lines are clear, they're black, and the numbers are clear, even in the small ones. I'm trying to find one to show you. Here's one, number 6. That's number 6. So you can see even the smallest number. This is a very relaxing, and if you suffer from arthritis in your hands, this is the best craft for it. This one. Because every time I have that, I had to start diamond painting because of the poking. And cross stitch, never mind about cross stitching. I cannot do it. Definitely I cannot do it. So definitely I cannot do it, but this is the best craft for arthritis hands. And I'm soft in poking on diamond painting because poking meaning putting the drills on, because I use sometimes I use the patty wax. Right now I'm using Randa Crafty Corner Putty, so you know. And the last one, I like this one. This one I got it on diamond painting recently. Again, you get the set of brushes. And this one also has 24 colors. I don't know how many colors they have on diamond painting. Here is the color scheme. Beautiful scheme. And here is a picture of it, a dream catcher. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful picture. I had it recently from Temu diamond painting. This one also has the shard, which is very important. Very important. Here it is. The short. And here is the canvas. It's a 16 by 20. Or 40 by 50, I think. And here it is. Let me see. Oh, here it is, number 4. Also, you can see the numbers, the small numbers. That's number 4. Beautiful. The canvas are kind of, they're not stiff. They're plasticky, but they're sturdy. But this is something that I'm gonna have to iron, and then once I iron it, I have to apply the gesso. Again, if you want a good tutorial regarding this, you go to the Melanie channel, Melanie B Studio. She have a tutorial on this. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here. This is it for part 4. Thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping company. Hit the like, the thumbs up, and please make a comment. Thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.